Hello, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. তুমি ক'ত গৈ আছা?
Where are you going?
তুমি বজাৰলৈ গৈ আছা নে?
Are you going to market?
তুমি কিয় বজাৰলৈ গৈ আছা?
Where are you going to market?
তুমি কি কিনি আছা?
What are you buying?
তুমি মুড়ি কিনি আছা নে?
Are you buying puff rice?
তুমি মিঠালো কিনি আছা নে?
Are you buying sweet potato?
তুমি ধুবুৰীলৈ গৈ আছা নে?
Are you going to Dhuri?
তুমি কিয় ধুবুৰীলৈ গৈ আছা?
Where are you going to Dhuri?
তুমি স্কুললৈ গৈ আছা নে?
Are you going to school?
তুমি কিয় স্কুললৈ গৈ আছা?
Why are you going to school?
তুমি অহাকালি ক'ত যাবা?
Where will you go tomorrow?
তুমি কি কাটি আছা?
What are you cutting?
তুমি কি কৰি আছা?
What are you doing?
What is your name?
My name is Mugdha Sultana.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mudhurali.
What is the name of our district?
The name of our district is Dhuri.
What is the name of our country?
The name of country is India.
What is the name of our school?
The name of our school is Dhak 701.
Where do you live?
I live at Tarangabra.
তুমি কি লিখি আছা?
What are you writing?
তুমি কি আবৃত্তি কৰি আছা?
What are you reciting?
তুমি ক'ত সাঁতুৰি আছা?
Where are you swimming?
তুমি কাক মাতি আছা?
Whom are you calling?
তুমি মোক কিয় মাতি আছা?
Why are you calling me?
Why are you calling me? মোৰ মায়ে মোক মাতি আছে।
My mother is calling me.
মোৰ দেউতা মোক মাতি আছে।
My father is calling me.
মই মোৰ ঘৰলৈ গৈ আছো।
I am going to my home.